Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a simple way to make a ponytail more interesting. We're going to do what is called a knotted braid. Start off by sectioning away a top portion of your hair. And the remaining hair you are going to put it up into a ponytail. Take down your top section of hair, and this is the hair we will use to create the knotted braid. So section off some hair from the front, split it into two, and you're literally going to create a knot. And then you're going to add in hair to the two strands, and create another knot. The higher your ponytail, the fewer amount of knots you'll be able to fit. I chose to do 3 as my ponytail is quite high. With the sections of hair you've got left over, you're going to wrap these pieces of hair around the base of your ponytail, so it covers up the hairband. You can wrap the pieces round, or you can put them underneath the hairband and tie a little hair elastic around them and then wrap them round. And then that's it, you're finished. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out all my other videos.